Itong ikalawang tula na ito ay patungkol ito sa pinaglaban namin. Pinaglaban namin na hindi lang kaming dalawang libong ng aming pamilya, kundi lahat kabuuan din ng buong pamilyang nasaktan sa trahedyang Maguindanao Massacre. Ito yung ipinapakita dito lahat kung ano ang mga emosyon, kung gaano kahirap, kung gaano yung hulaan ka ng tao, pero nandoon pa rin yung tibay ng loob mo na gusto mo pa rin lumaban at makamtan na tumatayo ka na lumalaban at maging victorious ka sa darating na panahon. At ito yun, you and me against the world. You and me against the world is an intense, deep emotions inside my inner feelings. And my heart desires, I do hope, sweet victory will be ours in the end. A true passion, strong conviction, for you and me will promote a good example and an eye-opener to all, without any doubt. From the very start, numerous circumstances contributes in between the two of us. But perseverance in spite of certain crushing difficulty. No white lies, no honest mistakes, no contradictions, no degrading, but we stand for the truth. Not be proud of, but humble ourselves is the only weapon we have. Even though it's not going too well as of this moment, but there's a big possibility to achieve a feat and to win a great professional victory.